Good morning, friends, and today we're going to talk about the AIBE, that is the All India Bar Examination 2022. This is applicable after 2022 as well, if there will be no any changes. But if there will be any changes, then I must say that you should check the AIBE official website for that. But for now, I have wrote certain subjects for you to make it easier for you, and these are the list of the subjects. So I have classified into two types. The first one is the substantive and the procedural laws. So you of course know what is substantive and procedural law. If you want me to make a separate video on about it, you can tell me. But apart from that, the acts I have classified into the importance, that is the primary importance, secondary importance, that is in a serial number wise. You can say that what subjects you should start first, then the second and the third, not only from the importance from the examination point of view, but also from the point of view of whatever you prepare for, or whatever will be applicable for you as far as when you start your own practice. So subjects from the primary importance are the constitutional law, CRPC, that is the Criminal Procedure Code, CPC, that is Code of Civil Procedure. Now, so constitutional law, of course, it is no right, about it. Then subjects from the secondary importance point of view are Indian Penal Code, Evidence Act, Family Law, and the Law of Contract. Then Law of Contract, Specific Relief Act, Property Laws, and your Negotiable Instrument Act. Then subjects from tertiary law point of view, then law of tort, including Motor Vehicle Act and Consumer Protection Law. Then certain other subjects from quaternary point of view, that is the importance as far as the series 4 is concerned, or the in serial number we can say the fourthly importance subjects. So alternative dispute redressal, including Arbitration Act, public interest litigation. You must have heard about the concept of PIL. What is it, when it is started, which judgment came in, have made this concept, and what are prominent landmark judgments. If you want me to make a separate video about it, then you can share your request via comment box, commenting that you want me to make a separate video about it. Then comes your labor industrial laws, professional ethics, and cases of professional misconduct under BCI rules. So it basically talks about the Advocates Act and BCI rules which are applicable on the advocates, right? Then comes the law related to taxation, Indian Income Tax Act, and etc. There are other acts as well. Then from quaternary importance point of view, your administrative law. Then there are certain subjects which I have wrote down for you, which are there in your AIBE syllabus, but they are importance, but we cannot classify them in form of importance, which we have just did. So these are your company law, environment law, cyber laws. You also have heard about technology law, then Land Acquisition Act, and intellectual property rights or intellectual property laws. So this is about your AIBE syllabus. Prepare well, score well, and become an advocate. Thank you so much.